was the nightmare before Christmas that rolled through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads.
To spin their rich and golden song. 3 lifelines extending help to those in need. 2 passion potions that love and romance may succeed. On the first day of Christmas, my
With some traces of some Why, even gingerbread house could seem scary. All at to resume your visit. We will continue our holiday tour in no time.
Happy holidays, everyone! Watch your don't be shy. It's Christmas! And you mentioned
Step out, stand up, right.